Hello mga kitty cats!
Hey guys!
Hey.
So, what's up? And welcome back to my channel.
Ta-da!
And we are here. I'm with Wilbin Borja together with other #Ecobricks and we are on a mission to save Mother Earth
Yes.
by creating Ecobricks.
Ecobricks.
For a couple of days, we gathered some used and throwaway plastics, and we are cutting them into pieces, and we are
Gonna put
basically
here.
putting them in a bottle. And this is a drive from our company, and we will donate this to the ecobrick.org. And it's a good move to save our Mother Nature. And, yeah, reusing the plastics that we are using. And I don't know how it works, but what is Ecobrick? Did
Ecobrick.
I Google? Wait.
So,
yeah.
this is
Ecobrick.
a bottle packed solid with used plastic to make a reusable building block.
So it is basically being used siya. Yeah. So wow, P20.
Okay.
So it's basically used as a building block in communities and stuff.
Yeah.
So unsay kanang qualified nga sana mga materials para sa aning Ecobricks. So
Ang qualified nga materials are
basically
plastics, non-biodegradable stuff,
Yep. And
nauga,
uga. Importante nga uga.
og limpyo para dili siya
Ano man?
compost na. There was an explanation naman. Wala kayo ko.
So ito makita na email. Sorry, hindi me prepared. That's it. And come on.
Hopefully guys, you would also do this in your household.
Yes, of course. So if to find out about Ecobrick is just go check out the link in the description and here.
Ecobricks.org. Hello.
Asa yung basura?
Tara! Ikaw lang ni ka na iputol-putol.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello, camera!
Go check out our Facebook page. It's Ecobricks Facebook page.
Gamay na kayo
Oh, lagi wala.
Confusing lang ko.
So here's Madam Elaine.
Elaine, to explain. Ambush na eh.
Ambush ni. Save Mother Earth. Uy, pero na ako na-meet ba? Di siya support of Ecobrick.
Sick.
Okay, it's like encouraging ko ng people to use plastic for
Depende na.
pero dapat para ma-defeat ang purpose sa Ecobrick, dapat gamit ka o plastics nga nagamit jud.
Nagamit na.
Diba? Nagamit jud.
Nagamit na.
Like, let's face
Mga
it.
chips.
Yeah, let's face it, dili man tanan yun nga kanang
Candies.
nag zero waste na karon, di ba?
Chocolates.
Yeah. So karon dili man tanan nga na ay mga plastic straw, metal straw,
Metal straw, bamboo.
mga bamboo straw, mga
Mga
reusable nga mga spoon, fork. So mao na nga kanang nga mga waste ang gamiton para sa kaning nga drive nga project sa Ecobricks.org. So dili ka nang mogamit lang toyo o plastic para lang mahimong Ecobrick, di ba? So dili siya inana nga right? Yes. Maghimo ta og Ecobricks. So update guys.
Oh,
Kasi update.
gaan gihapon.
So ang requirement sa 1 liter nga bottle is
350 grams.
And napuno na mo ang 1 liter. Tarang! So the saga continues. And I hope you check out Ecobricks and support this campaign. This is to help our environment
Advocacy to help
save Mother Nature. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to his channel, to her vlog,
vlog.
and Gawas dali, wonderful. Ah.
Dali.
Naulaw si wonderful. Sakto ba? Adventures. Wala siya busy-busy ah. So, dali. Bye guys and share peace and love.
Kayo,
Napala.
Sige.
Alam mo dali. Share peace and love.